Just, what do you say? Make sure you say trick or treat.
Gavin, how many times did you hit the doorbell?
Gage, Zane hit it
Go.
once, I hit it 2 times.
He's not scary, so he's not.
Yeah,
You guys sure make a lot of noise, you know it?
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
you guys make a lot of noise.
Say thank you.
Thanks.
You're gonna have to open it, you got it closed.
Oh, I can't even probably come right back here.
Winnie.
Are we going to go this way or are we going to go straight?
Well, the first person that gets to the corner gets to make that decision.
Thank you.
I'm happy because of you. That's how we. Because those trick or treat. I said trick or treat. Mom, we can go to every kind of houses. Come on, let's go. We can go 100 houses per street.
Oh, there's 3,000 kids over there. There's like
3,000 people.
Go over here because there's cars.
Zane, go ring the doorbell. Run, hurry. Let's go get this candy. You want to? Okay. We'll get the next one. Come on. Gavin, just one time, son. Go up there.
No, we're going to the next.
Well, they have candy.
I know what the kind of candy.
Okay, you go get this one. Run.
Well, nobody's there.
Zane's going to ring it. Just ring it once.
Gavin. Where's Gavin?
Go up there, buddy.
Gavin!
Sit.
Gavin!
Ring it once.
Gavin!
Come on, Gage.
Gavin!
He's coming.
Hey, Gage always scares me.
He scares you?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. What do you say, Zane? Trick or treat. Come on, Gavin, hurry. You did? Oh, one more.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a happy holiday.
All right, thank you. Good job, Gage. Gavin, you got candy over there? Look at Zane. Zane, you missed a house.
She
Right there.
said
Come on.
she said her door was not working very well. So
Gavin,
she has to
you
get
gotta say trick or treat.
Right here.
You gotta say trick or treat, then they open the door.
Gage, go ring this one.
Thank you.
Come on, Zane. Come get some candy. Winnie.
Zane, run.
Just ring it once, remember. That's enough. Gage, don't open the door. Gage.
Gage, don't open.
Silly. All right, Zane. Go ring the doorbell, Bob.
Walk first. Wait for me. Oh, dang. Oh, there's some kids out there.
Go get your candy. Trick or treat. All right.